Hey kids, so today we are going to learn the student interface for CS First. Now as we all know, the CS First is a Google's initiative. So over here on the top left corner, you will see Google for Education. Below that you will see CS First website given. Then you will see curriculum given over here. Now towards the left hand side, you have all the menus. This is the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, you get two options: to join a class and to create a new project. Now we have already joined a class, so we will not be using join a class option. If you want to create any new project, you can create it from here or from your class also. Then the next option is the classes menu. When you click on classes menu, you will see all the classes that you have joined. So this test class 3 has joined demo class 2, demo class 3, demo class 4, demo class 5 and demo class 6 also. Archived classes is something that is not visible or not available for us right now. Next menu is the projects menu. So when you click on projects menu, it will show all the active projects and the projects that you have already completed over here. Right now test class 3 have not started doing or creating any project, so there is no projects written over here. Last menu is the profile menu. In the profile menu, you will see the account type. So for test class 3, it is student account. Then you will see the username, that is test class 3. Then you will see your email ID that you have used to log into this student account. You will also see the language that you are using. Now on the top left corner, let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, so this is my dashboard. On the top left corner also there is student written, that means you are using student account. When you click on it, you get to see the test class 3, that is your username, your email ID, your profile option is over here. Then you can also sign out of your account. Now how to see which lesson is or which unit is assigned to your class. So suppose you are joined into demo class 2, you will see current units written over here, and below that it is written dialogue. So that means demo class 2 is doing dialogue unit. So same for demo class 3, they are using Code Your Hero. I hope this video was useful for you.